raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his, and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and he couldn't get the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and he couldn't get up in the morning. It's raining, it's pouring, the old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head, couldn't get up in the morning. So whatever you do today, enjoy yourself, stay safe, Mr. B, Jordan Little. Woo!